Dear children, continue of chapter number 10. Our next topic is technical and institutional reform in agriculture. What was the topic, dear children? Technical and institutional reform in agriculture. It means કૃષિમાં technical અને સંસ્થાકીય સુધારા. Earlier, the farming was carried out by the simple and ordinary farm implement like sickle, spade, hoe, powder, drill plug, bullock cart, etc. What they have to given that, dear children? They have to given that in previous time. It means in previous time what happened there? In earlier the farming was carried out by the simple method as well as the ordinary farm, and they have to implement the like sickle it means datedu, spade it means kodari, hoe it means powder, after drill plug olni, plug hod, bullock cart બળદગાડું. This all things was there used in the previous time for the agriculture work. Now in the modern implement have entered into it with the tractor, trailer, rotavator, etc. But now in the modern time what happened that now farmer was using presently the tractor, trailer, rotavator are common. Besides, in the modern equipment like thresher and harvester are used in the wheat harvesting. What they have to say that, dear children? Beside it, the modern equipment like thresher, harvester are used in the wheat harvesting. There is an increase in the use of chemical fertilizer, hybrid seeds, BT seeds, insecticides, drip irrigation, and the greenhouse gases. What they have to given the, dear children? They have to say that there is an increase in the use of chemical fertilizer. Chemical fertilizer it means રાસાયણિક ખાતરો. After they have to given about the hybrid seed. Which one? Hybrid બિયારણ. After they have to given the name that BT seeds. Which one? BT બિયારણ. And after they have given that insecticides. Insecticides it means જંતુનાશક દવાઓ. And drip irrigation, ટપક સિંચાઈ, and the greenhouse gases now presently used by the farmers. Now they have to given about the technical reform. Which one? Technical reform. Technical reform it means technical sudhara. Reform it means sudhara. The change which have taken place in seeds, fertilizer and farm implement in India are known as a technical reform. What is the known as the technical reform? Technical reform it means changes have been taken place in seeds. Seeds it means biyaran, fertilizer it means khatar, and farm it means khet are implemented in India are known as a technical reform. Now first they have to given that the farmer who earlier used leather bucket and water wheel now use the submersible pump or the monoblock pump, solar pump, drip irrigation and the sprinklers. What happened that, dear children? In the previous time the farmer was used the leather buckets and the water wheel, but now in the present era, but in current era, now the farmer are using at their farm submersible pump, monoblock pump, solar pump and drip irrigation and sprinkler. It means now farmer are using the advanced technology. Second, they have to say that the chemical fertilizer like chemical fertilizers like diammonia. Which one? Diammonia phosphate. Which one? Here they have to given the, dear children, diammonia phosphate, and it is known as a DAP. What is the full form of DAP, dear children? Diammonia phosphate. After they have to given about the NPK. NPK it means nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Here they have to given that nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Urea and other biofertilizer, liquid biofertilizer, biotech seeds are used. What they have to say that? They have to say that the farmer are using presently DAP, NPK, urea and other biofertilizer. Biofertilizer it means જૈવિક ખાતર, liquid biofertilizer it means પ્રવાહી જૈવિક ખાતર, and also the biotech seeds are to be the used. It means biotech biaran. Farmers are constantly guided through the radio, television, newspaper, DD Kisan channel, SMS on mobile by the Kisan toll-free number. What happened that now presently government give the guideline as well as the awareness to the farmer through radio, television, newspaper, DD Kisan channel, SMS on mobile by the Kisan toll-free number. Here there was given the number of the Kisan call center toll-free number 1800 Government farm web portal, iKhedut, mobile app like Agri Market. This all kinds of the facility was given to the farmer. New agriculture research and new techniques are conveyed to the farmer in the village by the Gram Sevak. What happened that, dear children? They have to say that the new agriculture research as well as the new technique are to be the conveyed. Convey it means वहाँ तक पहुँचाना farmer to the farmer in the village by the Gram Sevak. By the Gram Sevak. Now after they have to even that a farmer training center is established in every district headquarter. What they have to given that, dear children? They have to given that a farmer training center is established in every district headquarter where the farmer are given the training. It means in every district government establish a training center for the farmer. Next one, recent information and guidance are provided to the farmer through the agriculture fairs in Gujarat. What happened there, dear children? Recent information as well as the guidance are provided to the farmer through the agriculture fairs into the Gujarat. Next they have to given that, and you know very well about that agriculture fair. Agriculture fair, it means Krushi Mela. Agriculture university and agriculture colleges are established in every state. What happened that, dear children? Here agriculture university as well as the agriculture college are established in every state. Agriculture university are established in Dantewada, Junagadh, Anand, Navsari in Gujarat. If you have to see the name of the agriculture university, then, dear children, Dantewada, Junagadh, Anand, Navsari, these all are the places where agriculture university was established into the Gujarat. This university carry over the research and the prepare the new experts in the agriculture. What happened? In this university, they carry out the research work and prepare the new experts in the agriculture sector. Next, they have to given that beside this, Indian Council for Agriculture Research, ICAR. This is the most important full form for the board examination. Which one? ICAR. It means Indian Council for Agriculture Research and Department of Agriculture Research and Education, DARE, are active at the national level. Which two institutes are active at the national level, dear children? ICAR and DARE. This both institute working for the agriculture in a national level. Now, dear children, they have to given about the institutional reform. Which one? Institutional reform. Institutional reform, it means Sansthakiya Sudhara. That is known as the institutional reform. The reform connected with the land ownership, crop subsidy, sale of the farm produce are considered to be the institutional reform in India. Which things was included in the, dear children, institutional reform in India? The reform are connected with the land ownership, after crop subsidy, you know very well crop subsidy, Khet Dhiran, and sale of farm produce are considered to be the institutional reform in India. Now they have to given about the, dear children, first of all, first point that government has discarded, discarded it means nabud karna, landlordism, it means zamindari, and stop the exploitation, exploitation, it means shoshan hona of the farmer. Now what happened that here the government has removed the landlordism and stopped the exploitation of the farmer under the law of the land to the tiller. Which law was prepared by the government? land to the tiller. It means ખેડે તેની જમીન, that is known as land to the tiller. And the land tillers have been given the right to become the owner of the land sum. And what happened that dear children here, tillers is mean farmer have been given the rights to become the owner of the land sum. Second, the disparity it means asamanta among the landowner has been removed by the land selling act. What happened that here, whatever the disparity is there, richer as well as the poorer, it means in this disparity among the landowner has been removed by land selling act. Land selling act means જમીન ટોચ મર્યાદાના કાયદા. After they have given that farmer are given the financial help for the crop subsidy by Kisan credit card. What happened that dear children, farmer are given the financial help for the crop subsidy by Kisan credit card and by nationalized and the cooperative bank. Farmer are given the full insurance protection of the crop through the Prime Minister Crop Insurance Scheme. What happened that dear children, the farmer are given the full insurance protection of the crop through with the Prime Minister Crop Insurance Scheme. Which scheme? Pradhan Mantri Pak Vima Yojana. When the crop failed due to the drought or through the excessive rain, then farmer are given the financial help by the government. What happened that dear children, whenever the crop was failed of the farmer due to the any kind of the natural calamity, drought or excessive rainfall, then farmer are given the financial help by the government by providing the legal support and open auction process. What happened that your open auction it means khulli haraji is made in the widespread for the sales of the farm produce in the marketing yard. Now next one they have to given that by providing the legal support. Which kind of the support? By providing the legal support and open auction. Already now we are learning that open auction it means khulli haraji process is made widespread for the sale farm product in the marketing yard. And you know very well that about the marketing yard in APMC is there. Same way the facility like cooperative society, market association, cooperative warehouses, cold storage, transportation, communication etc. have been provided so that the farmer would get the minimum support price of the farm product. What happened that dear children, here the facility like cooperative society, after the market association, cooperative warehouses, cold storages, transportation, communication, this all kind of the facilities are to be given to the farmer. It means we can say that સહકારી મંડળી, ખરીદ વેચાણ સંઘ, સહકારી ધોરણે ગોદામો, શીતગૃહો, ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટેશન પરિવહન, communication it means સંદેશાવ્યવહાર, this all kind of the facilities was to be provided to the farmer and would get the minimum support price of the farm product. Following organization are operating for the purchase of the farm product. Now dear children, they have to given the name of the institution or organization. They are working for the operation for the purchase of the farm product from the farmer at the support price. At the which price? At the support price. Support price it means ભાવ ખરીદી. First institution name they have to given that NAFED. It means National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation of India. Which one? National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation of India. It means ભારતીય રાષ્ટ્રીય કૃષિ સહકારી વિપણન સંઘ. Second one they have to given about the GROFED. GROFED. It means Gujarat Cooperative Oilseeds Growers Federation. Which one? Gujarat Cooperative Oilseeds Growers Federation. Means Gujarat Telibia Utpadak Sangha. Next one they have to given about the NDDB. It means National Dairy Development Board. Which one? नेशनल डेयरी डेवलपमेंट बोर्ड, राष्ट्रीय डेयरी विकास निगम. These three are the institution are operating for the purchase of the farm product from the farmer at the which price, at the supported price.